Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to all of our hearts, extending the battery life of our devices. We all know the struggle of a dying battery right when we need our devices the most. But fear not, because we've got some fantastic tips to help you make the most out of your battery life. 1. Lower screen brightness. Reduce the screen brightness to a comfortable level. The display is a major power drain. 2. Use battery saver mode. Enable your device's battery saver mode, which can adjust settings to conserve power. 3. Turn off unused connectivity. Disable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS when not in use. 4. Limit background apps. Close or limit the number of apps running in the background, as they consume battery. 5. Update apps. Keep your apps updated, as newer versions often include optimizations for better battery efficiency. 6. Use airplane mode. When you are in an area with no signal, switching to airplane mode can prevent your device from constantly searching for a connection. 7. Push email less frequently. Set your email to fetch data less frequently or manually, instead of using push email. 8. Disable notifications. Turn off unnecessary notifications that wake up your device's screen. 9. Manage location services. Choose apps that are allowed to access your location, and switch to battery-saving location modes. 10. Limit widgets and live wallpapers. Animated widgets and live wallpapers can use up battery resources. 11. Update software. Keep your device's operating system up to date, as newer versions often include power-saving improvements. 12. Manage push notifications. Reduce the frequency of push notifications from apps. 13. Use dark mode. Dark mode can help save battery on OLED and AMOLED screens. 14. Keep apps optimized. Some devices have settings to optimize apps for better battery life. Enable this feature if available. 15. Close unused apps. Manually close apps that you're not actively using. Remember that these tips might not apply universally to all devices, but they should give you a good starting point for maximizing battery life across a range of gadgets. Thanks for tuning into our battery saving masterclass. Be sure to stay tuned for the second part of this video, where we'll share even more tips to keep your devices alive and kicking. Until then, keep those batteries charged and those settings optimized. See you in the next one.